एमपीटीन नव्या उद्योजकांक माची मेळोवन दिवपाक आय क्रिएट इंडिया नांवान 6 दिसांची कार्यशाळा आयोजीत केल्या. हातूंत 27 नव्या उद्योजकांनी वांटो घेतिल्लो. RDX गोवा खातीर मुरगांवच्यान जॉन डिसिल्वा.
What we saw here was a group of aspiring entrepreneurs, who had been through a thorough workshop, learning, a coaching program for 6 days, and today was their culminating day where they had to present their business plans of what they had developed during the 6 days. We were one of the, I was one of the judging panel, and what we saw, what we experienced, what we witnessed was amazing business ideas. You could see that in 6 days, sometimes you feel that 6 days aren't enough, but the individual was so passionate and driven by the ideas that the 6th day just helped them as a structure, to put things together and present a business plan. They came up with a very detailed, intricately designed business plan, and we were very impressed. Some of the ideas were really, thought-provoking.
Today was the second business plan competition done through the support of MPT through their CSR funding. We had about 27 participants who presented 5 business ideas. 5 unique business ideas, I would say. Each one in different areas, and all 5 for the sake of Goans, to create a Goan market and to serve the Goan customer. The challenge that we are seeing today is that there aren't enough jobs. I have been saying this for the last 5 years, both as an individual and on behalf of I Create India. Our effort is that Goa should be self-employed. There should be more people who should be job givers instead of job takers or looking out for jobs. Let us look at the present scenarios. There are so many wonderful opportunities available, serving the tourists, serving the mining sector, even though it is shut, but there are lots of opportunities there. There are lots of service opportunities. Goa today is one of the richest communities and one of the richest states in India. Highest per capita income. But do we see some of the top level quality services that are available in the rest of the states? Sadly, no. And this is the opportunity available to every Goan to build his or her own enterprise and serve the Goan customer. Through the I Create program, the Aspiring Entrepreneurship Workshop, our effort by our team, Mayur Arsekar standing next to me, Nagendra Babu, Ullas Kamath, our CEO of I Create, and all of us have only one mission, and that is to make Goa an entrepreneurial state.